Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be making the pups some ice cream. This is some pup friendly ice cream. It's called Puppy Scoops. It's grain free, all natural, and it's vanilla flavored. Apparently it's pretty easy. You just blend it, you just mix it together with 2/3 cups of warm water, and then you have to wait 5 hours for it to freeze, and it's all good to go. So I'm gonna be doing that now, and I'll take you guys along the journey to see if it's really simple and to see if the dogs like it. So let's get into it. So first thing I'm gonna do is get the 2/3 cup of warm water for this. Here's my 2/3 cup of warm water. Now I'm gonna open this and see what it looks like. After I mix everything up, I'm gonna put it back in here, put it in the freezer for 5 hours so it's ready for them, and so it looks all cute. There's the powder. Now we're gonna add the 2/3 cup of warm water. Lid on. Mix it up a bit. So the mixture's in here, and I'm gonna put it in the Ninja, and let's see how it goes. It's all blended. Now I'm gonna pour it back in here, and we wait the 5 hours for it to freeze up. It's like a little milkshake. Now that it's all blended and it's back in here, I'm gonna go put it in the freezer and wait 5 hours, and then give it to the pups later when it's all nice and cold. I'll show you guys the pups review and see if they like it. It's been 5 hours now, so let's scoop this ice cream for the pups. It's been sitting on my counter for 10 minutes now, prepping for the scoop.
I go me, and then, oh, there are other people here?
Yeah.
Like, I wonder if
What do you think that is, though?
Magic in it.
Do you drink a whole bottle?
I went through it.
Yeah.
I went through it.
Hey, let me see it.
Hey, man, are you worried about the, and then, hey, what did you do to me? What did you do to me? How come I'm not working to keep you up with anxiety?
I love it.
Yeah, it's gonna be hard to do.